Welcome to this comprehensive guide on linking an incident report to an existing situation report within the system. Here's how it works. To begin, navigate to the specific incident report you wish to link. Within this incident's basic information section, locate the drop-down menu labeled Situation Report. From the drop-down list provided, select the desired situation report to which this incident should be associated. Once selected, remember to save the changes to the incident report by clicking any of the Save buttons available. To see all incidents associated with a situation report, navigate to the Situation Reports module and select the View Reports option. Locate and open the relevant situation report. On the Situation Report Overview page, the linked incident reports will be displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. Additionally, these incidents will be visually represented on the map at the top of the screen, each marked by a distinct pin. The color of each pin will correspond to the assigned color of its respective incident type. Clicking on any of these incident pins on the map will open a modal window, providing a detailed description of that specific incident. This modal also includes an option to view the incident, which, when clicked, will take you directly to the full incident report.